Hi everyone. Hi. I'm Neeraj. So a lot of people share their experience and what they have learned. I also want to talk a little bit about how we should start training. I mean something what I thought for myself. I want to share with all of you. First of all, I'm into this banking and financial industry for almost 20 years now. So a lot of the theories and the basics is known to me, but I have never traded. A lot of people think that probably I'm a trader. I trade a lot. I don't trade. But I have a dream. I want to retire early, and I think a lot of us have that dream. So my dream was to retire at 40 when I had one child. Now it's 45. I've got two child. So I increased my stop loss that way. So because I don't trade, I can't make this kind of money. But I always used to think that I'm very smart. I mean, I'm very good at my goals. I don't get convinced very easily. So I have my SIPs. I have a portfolio manager also which takes care of some money. But all of those are down now. So then that was not giving me the confidence. 45 years, the stop loss. Though I'm 16 years old now, so it was coming close. So what to do? And when I got the invitation, I saw that email, and I just checked the office address was nearby. I thought, okay, Sunday evening, few hours, free of cost. Let's go check out. Then I got the confirmation. I was told, it's in Satkar. I said, okay, fine. Satkar, but probably food rahega, evening mein hai. Free mein food mil raha, let's go, have some fun. When I came here, I saw there was no food. I was told, we'll have tea and this session. I said, okay, called at home, khana bana dena, ghar pe khana khayenge. Okay. So that was the reality. I mean, let's be honest. So that was the reality. But when I saw this session, I saw some trades. Again, as I said, I'm not easily convinced. I went home. I checked your LinkedIn, sir. I saw very good, recommendations and some other things about you. I also checked the institute where you did your course, Princeton Institute. Also did a registration, got an email also, just to see was it real. It's not that I'm going there. Okay. So that gave me the confidence, and I said, okay, yeah, this is something worth. Let's go for it. And the retirement plan was anyway something I wanted to work on. So when I came here and I saw all the applications, so the basic was something which I knew, but when I saw the application and all these techniques, nobody tells these techniques, to be very, very honest. Sir being so humble, I mean, nobody tells all these techniques. And it's like a lottery, You take a lottery, 1 million people are taking 1% chance you'll win it. This is 60-40, better lottery. And you apply the techniques, it's not a lottery. It's like sure, confirmation, 60% of the time you are winning it. 40% time, even if you lose, doesn't matter. So that's some of the learning I took from this session. Now something which I want to do when I go home, because, and I'm sure a lot of you will agree with me, we learned so many techniques in these 4 days. Even 50% of those we remember, I think it will be good for us. But how do we ensure that at the right time, and when we are sitting in front of these terminal or when we are trading, how do we remember all these? So I've created a very simple checklist. Okay, so when you have something like a when to identify a trade, where is the movement, where to put a stop loss, and how to come out of it. So I just created 4 things to identify trends, reversal pattern, zones and resistance, and indicator momentum. So, but the thing is, when I trade, it will be stuck somewhere near the screen. So if I am getting stuck somewhere, quickly refer, okay, what I can use until I become a master, or at least I learn a lot of these, so I don't need to refer these. So it will be a good starting point for me and probably for all of you. You can create your own checklist. What I want to do is, I want to get my wife and my father also get into these sessions. One thing is, if wife also speaks the same language, it's good, because if you're sitting in front of a terminal and she is saying, okay, no, do something different, she'll not bother. Secondly, you can discuss things with her. If you're discussing something she is not understanding, in few days of time she'll not listen to you. Okay. But if she speaks the same language, it's good. Secondly, I go to office, I need somebody who can trade. I go by afternoon, so somebody who can trail my trades. Secondly, I'm losing commodity market because I'm not at home, so she can do that. And my father is retired, so but he is interested in trading. He has lost a lot of money. I mean, he's doing financially pretty well, but since he enjoys, he likes to do it. I would want him to come and understand. And it's good to have a family where you have a few people you can discuss your ideas, take their ideas in and follow it. So that's something I want to do. Again, thank you so much, sir. You are very humble. I mean, when I saw the video that you sent, I realized you are repeating all the topics at least twice. Anybody else probably would not have done it. एक बार तो बता दिए बाकी तुम्हारा problem. You know, nobody does that. But you want to do that and you want to make your students successful. That's a great thing, sir. It's a great initiative, I would say.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.